Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the birthday beauty box from Next Beauty for the month of May. To be honest, I wasn't sure that I will buy this beauty box, and I will tell you why at the end of today's video. What made me to buy it is that soon will be my birthday, hooray! And you know, here on my channel we unboxed so many beauty boxes, and it will be unfair not to unbox my birthday month beauty box. I hope this makes sense. The birthday beauty box is retailed for £18, and if to believe Next Beauty, worth over £55. It has the same packaging as the last month beauty box, nothing changed. Okay guys, let's open it. As usual, we find the leaflet that can be personalized. You may use it as a birthday card, and this is great. I like this idea a lot. Now let's find the beauty treats. First we find a travel size product from the brand Murad. AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser is a face cleanser enriched with both chemical and physical exfoliants. It has a creamy texture and helps to reveal smoother, more hydrated skin with every wash. Second product from the birthday beauty box is from Bumble & Bumble. Bond Building Repair Treatment. Strengthens hair with Honey Bond Building Complex. This is a once-a-week treatment mask for your hair. Use after shampooing to reverse the look of damage in just 5 minutes. Third product is from Nails Inc. London. Nail Kale Superfood Base Coat. It contains a powerful, deeply nourishing complex, plus feeds the nails with vitamins A, C, E, F and H. I already have this product and it's good, it's shiny, very good base coat. Fourth product is a very good and nourishing hand cream from Clarins, Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. This luxurious moisturizer helps soften, protect, hydrate and strengthen hands and nails. I am totally agree with that. If you have very dry hands, then this cream will help you with that. It's nourishing, it's hydrating, it smells nice, a very good product. Fifth, we find a lipstick from MAC. MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade 707 Ruby Woo. I tried MAC Retro MAC lipstick formula and it's nice. It's non-drying, it has an intense color payoff, is long wearing. Above the shade is not exactly what I like, it's a bit too dark for my taste. Sixth product from the beauty box is a mini size mascara from the brand Benefit, their Real Mascara. For long, fluffy lashes, this award-winning formula visibly lengthens and curls eyelashes, adding impressive volume and drama. Get ready to wow! I tried this mascara from Benefit and is okay. Well, for what I want from a mascara to do to my lashes, this mascara, I will say, is a bit far away from that. And the last product from the birthday beauty box is from Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. This beauty boosting barrier balm is specially formulated for sensitive, stressed and dehydrated skin, helping to support the skin's natural regenerative processes. And this is a product that I tried, is nourishing, it has a rich formula. The only thing that I didn't enjoy is that it's absorbing hard into the skin. Okay guys, and these are the products from the birthday beauty box from Next Beauty for the month of May. What do you think? You like it or not? For me, I don't know. I saw all of these products in the Next Beauty boxes so many times, and because of that I am not over the moon. As a general opinion, it's a nice box. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!